for the Jumbo Water Cream Essence and Kissu Lip that you can put on auto delivery. Now, over 1,000 of these have been spoken for since we debuted them 4 days ago. A681-969. You're getting this set home for $23 if you choose Easy Pay, $227 if you would have purchased them separately. So unbelievable value here. And you have auto delivery available for every 4 months for a total of 3 shipments. And right there on the side, you're going to see the water cream is $89, the essence $110, the Kissu Lip Scrub $28. So $114.98 is really a steal. And we're going to bring in Jennifer Herr. She has been in the beauty industry over 10 years. She is a lovely woman. She's been a model here at QVC, and you never disappoint looking so fierce, girl.
Are you serious?
Oh my gosh,
I love
we
your shirt. I know. I love that the color really coordinated because we were on the phone and we're like, what color are you wearing?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm so happy that you're here in this hour. We never got to do a whole hour together.
I know. This is really exciting. I was really pumped when I saw that you're our host. So
yay!
Thanks for having us.
Of course. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm a lover of the brand and all things Japanese culture. So this is a dream for me. And talk about a great way to start off the show, right? Because the water cream, that's going to prep your skin for the makeup. You have the essence, which is going to soften and plump the skin.
Yes.
And of course, the Kissu, which is going to really help exfoliate the lips.
Yes. So I'm actually going to show you some cool demos. So I'm getting prepped over here. But the coolest thing about the essence is that it does 2 main things that I always want to highlight. Well, first of all, it's a skin plumping softener. So it's going to plump the skin. It softens the skin. That in and of itself is reason enough why you should use it. But it's going to increase the hydration in your skin by 620% and like immediately. So that's not 620%. So if you're looking for hydration, like this is going to give it to you. And you're kind of like, it's liquid. Like, what's that going to do? No, it's all fermented superfoods. So you're going to take this and just press it into your skin onto clean, dry skin. What that also does is it creates channels and pathways for serums, creams, moisturizers, whatever else you use to go into the deeper layers of the skin. So let me show you what that exactly looks like. So if you come over here, I am going to show you, there's a piece of paper here, right? So the top line represents the top layer of the skin. Everything underneath represents your deeper layers of the skin. Now, we're applying the essence. So we're talking superfoods like akita rice, uji green tea, Okinawan red algae, all ingredients I know you're familiar with because you've been to Japan, right? And so what I'm applying now represents all the serums and creams and moisturizers that are going on your skin.
It's amazing.
So do you see how once you apply the essence, all the channels and pathways are open? I mean, get in. Do you see all these little squiggles and these veiny lines here? And it's just pooling all of the serums, creams, those actives, and everything that you're personally investing into your skincare. Because if you felt like you spent all this money on your skincare and you're like, oh, I thought it was going to be doing more, it's probably getting stuck on top of your skin.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So this is like the thing you never knew that you needed.
But
in
it's like, you need it. Yes.
But you need it. And you're getting a crazy good deal on this whole set.
Yes.
So we're going to see claims. And, you know, I do a lot of beauty. You do not see 100% come up very often.
Yeah, I'm just so proud of our clinicals because not only are we saying that this is what it's supposed to do, but the proof is in the pudding. Every single person that used this showed 620% improvement in hydration. This was instrumentally measured, and it's immediately after application and not without a moisturizer or anything else.
Which we love.
Yes.
I don't know, in a world of like immediate satisfaction,
Exactly.
I love that you get that immediate result.
So gratifying. And then in an expert grade evaluation, 100% of all of our users, this is with the essence, showing improvement in skin plumpness, skin texture, fine lines and wrinkles. This is just the essence. If you use all 3 of these items together, like you're gonna do so much for the skin.
And so just to clarify, you don't recommend putting it on a cotton ball or anything?
I would not,
go right
no.
into the hands?
Right into the hand.
And then just pressing it into the skin.
You're like force feeding the skin like anti-aging goodness.
Okay.
I love it.
So that's the first, I mean, we started out strong and then it just keeps getting better. That's what's crazy,
really
right?
Good. So this is the water cream. First of all, can we talk about how much you are getting? So I'm gonna pull up the dewy skin cream, but the standard size is exactly the same. This is the super size. Like I wanna just like stay here for a moment and just talk about how much you are getting here. So.
It's
It's really good.
Unbelievable. By the way, just the packaging, no one does it
Oh, thank you.
like TATCHA. I mean, the way that the spatula is right here on the top, so you never lose it. Like, it's just beautifully done.
Our marketing team is amazing, and they really just try to tie in our brand culture and the inspo of Japanese beauty secrets, and really tying in things that are so intentional. With the water cream in particular, Melissa, do you feel the texture changing underneath your fingertips?
Yes.
Like, does it feel like it's going from kind of like substance moisturizer to like water, like liquid?
Yes, and it feels like
it's thinner.
silk.
Yes.
That's what it feels like on my skin.
Now, when you take your eyes back to this actual moisturizer and get in really close, I'm gonna tap the jar a little bit. So you see how it's kind of wiggling? Like this is compacted water bubbles. So if you were to take this under a microscope, compacted water bubbles is what you would see. Now, in those water bubbles, it's encapsulating anti-aging actives. We're talking about hyaluronic acid. We're talking about the beautiful gold flakes that'll help to keep your skin really radiant. And we're also gonna have those anti-aging superfoods, things that are gonna hydrate your skin, and it's sort of like preserved in the balloon, and it like releases. Now, I'm going to use my phone screen, which I turned this off when I first got on set. You're probably like, what is she doing? Texting people?
I mean, you do you, but.
So I was turning this off because if I was going to do this on my skin, it would absorb and you wouldn't be able to see the visual that I'm trying to display. But applying this, I'm popping the water balloons. Now getting really close, and I'm going to try to, do you see those water droplets right there? I had it. Do you see that right there? Yes.
That's incredible.
Though, I mean, this is at work. If you were taking any other moisturizers, this would not happen. This is truly that water burst technology that we are using to drench your skin in a lightweight way and delivering like just preserved, fresh, anti-aging actives for the skin. Like it feels really good.
It really does.
Really good.
When you said fresh, I'm like, that's exactly what it feels like. Oh my, literally like silk.
It does.
It
feels like somebody took a spritzer bottle and then sprayed it on your face.
And we're gonna see, again, incredible results.
Yeah, so after 2 weeks, we're asking everyone what they thought. Every single person agreeing that their skin looked and felt smoother. 90% of our users are showing that their skin felt hydrated, balanced, and not oily, which I think is really important for a moisturizer. It's really lightweight, it's super hydrating, but you're not gonna get an oily finish.
I would like this for my whole body, please.
Yes. I mean, I sometimes do that. I mean, because I work for the company, I'm like, okay.
Lucky girl. But you also get this jumbo size. So, I mean, again, feel free, like right down the neck, the decollete.
Yes.
I mean, it's really a steal. I want you guys to look at that graphic on the side. If purchased separately, $227. This big deal price, $114.98. That is what you're paying. So you're getting the jumbo water cream, the essence, and the Kissu Lip Scrub. So we're going to talk about that in a moment as well. But this technology is really different. I've never seen that before in skincare.
I was pretty blown away when I saw it too, mainly because they're talking about it. I'm talking to PD, our scientists are telling us what this is. And then you could literally see it at work, live, on your skin. You can feel it underneath your fingertips. So that's the part that was really the most exciting for me, because you can actually feel it and see it go to work immediately. I mean,
My skin looks like glass.
That is literally water, it's hydration, it's superfoods. You can see the difference. It just looks like somebody poured water on your hands.
Oh, I'm like, girl, I've been saying about hand cream, I need to put a little bit more.
And the cool thing is, like, this essence is $110 alone. So it's like less than $5. You're getting like a supersized item and a lip. I'm just really, really excited.
I could tell,
as a
and I don't
TATCHA
blame
lover, I'm
you.
like, yes. That is what I want in my life.
Yeah, and that's why we do these big deals, because we want everyone to have the opportunity to take home the TATCHA experience in this case. And so, again, we're going to see another consumer survey for the Kissu Lip Scrub, which we didn't even get to yet, but again, 100% of participants said they had improvement in rough texture, lip flakiness, lip moisturization, and that's where we tend to see aging on the face very quickly, right?
The skin is really thin on two areas. It's the lips and it's underneath the eyes. And after an expert graded test, after immediate use, 95% of our users showing improvement in the lip smoothness. And after using it twice a day for 1 week, every person showing improvement in the lip smoothness. So it's continued use over time, not just immediate gratification. Then you have 95% of our users showing improvement in the lip plumpness. That's not even something that we, wanted to do when we wanted to like create a lip exfoliation, but it just came about because of the ingredients, because of the way you're sloughing away the dead skin beautifully. And when you do that and you treat the skin, your skin's like, oh, I've come alive. Here it is, and I look amazing.
I mean, who doesn't want to look amazing? Hello. And also the applicator. So we're going to see this throughout. Again, we talked about the marketing and the packaging, but there's always intention in these little things. So take a look at that applicator, the way it's going to contour to your lips beautifully.
I loved it.
It's going to give you just enough. You don't even need that much because I feel like it's really concentrated.
You really don't. You really don't.
But look at that.
Yeah. Do you see all of that beautiful texture? And that's like grittiness that you're seeing. It's Japanese konjac root and it's Japanese peach seeds that have been ground down, where when you apply it, it doesn't feel like anything, but it's actually doing the work. And because it's bound by beautiful camellia oil and held together, you're actually feeding your lips that oil that's able to drink it in, because camellia oil happens to be one of the best oils for your body. It's actually also why Japanese people over in Asia tend to cook with it pretty often as well. But we love it for the skin because the geisha women hundreds of years ago used this on their lips as lip mask and lip paste to kind of like provided oleic acid. So it's a really wonderful way to just bring that healthy skin from underneath back to life.
I just want to do this all hour. Can I? Because this feels so good.
No,
on
it
my
does.
lips.
I'm like, this is long enough, right? But I just can't stop.
It's okay. Well, I'm going to be here all hour. You know where to find me. Big deal price, $114.98. If purchased separately, it would be $227. And like you said, that full-size essence alone is $110.
Yeah.
For $5 more, you get the jumbo-size water cream and the Kissu Lip Scrub. So great set at that expiring price of $114.98. Do not wait, over 1,000 spoken for.